TV! She hit the Pentagon! She hit the fucking Pentagon!
You can't just steal Denji's food while he's in the bathroom, you know.
For your information, Aki, this waffle was promised to me 3,000 years ago.
Power, what the hell are you talking about?
Hey, Denji, I haven't showered since last year.
Which way do I go?
Left.
There's no left turn. What kind of map is that?
How does the mirror know what's behind the paper?
The light bounces off the mirror and goes into your eye. The mirror doesn't know anything, understand? That's how you see the egg behind the paper.
Light doesn't bounce. It's not a ball.
Kill yourself! Aki! He stole my food! Kill him! I'm holding!
Again?
He's a god! Okay, don't freak out, dude. Don't embarrass yourself in front of another pretty girl.
Your turn.
Be cool, Denji! I know I have to put one down, but all these look the same.
Denji, you dummy. You know you're looking at the wrong side, right?
Oh, yeah, I knew that. Fuck! Reze?
Denji. Huh. Fancy seeing you here. You, wanna talk?
Yeah, that would be nice. So, you're still in Tokyo?
Yes. Just until the situation in Petersburg cools down.
Gotcha. I don't know if you still remember, but what I said on the beach, it wasn't a lie. I really did wait for you.
Did you?
Yeah, I waited the whole entire day for you.
The whole day? You really are dumb, aren't you?
Oi. Huh?